Hey guys, it's Jeff with Kinetic Evolution, and for your movement of the day, we're going to roll our foot on a golf ball. So if you find you get sort of foot pain with any sort of activity, any sort of tight, crampy, achy symptoms in the foot after being stuck in a restrictive shoe throughout the day, or even some tension up the back of the leg into the calf or the hamstring, this can be a really good exercise to help alleviate some of those symptoms. So your feet do a lot for you. Let's show them a little bit of love with some golf ball rolling. No real science to it, you just want to get on the golf ball. Start at the heel and just really explore around. I'll slowly work my way up towards the toes. If you find a grittier spot, I like to push down a little bit harder on that, work it side to side a little bit. And I'll even take my toes through some range of motion. So I'll flex them all the way down, and then extend all the way up and really stretch that tissue down again as I'm putting a little bit of force through there. And then after I work that spot out, just move on to the next one. So like I said, no real science behind it. You just want to spend a couple minutes on each foot, explore around, work out all those kind of tight, nasty spots, and see how that goes. See if that helps get rid of some of those symptoms, any of that tension in the back of the leg. Let us know how it goes. If you have any questions on ways you can improve your mobility, leave a comment in the section below, and don't forget to like our page.